So we get this question a lot, right, Claudia? Tell me the question that you get, Claudia.
All right, so the question I get is, should I keep on working out if I'm having a few aches and pains?
Okay, so should you keep working out if you have some aches and pains? Normally, you can. Normally, most people do, but let me tell you about the consequences of that, right? Because people work out all the time and they're like, oh, it feels like the burn, and that's fine. When you should stop is when it's sharp and when it doesn't go away. That for sure should stop you. But let me tell you the consequences of what really happens if you continue to work out and you're feeling those imbalances. You feel like one arm is just not as strong as the other arm, and you're feeling that one arm just aches a lot more than the other. So the consequences are you can keep working out and everything, but that imbalance is going to continue to get worse. And a lot of times what happens is you'll start to get like those type of flare-ups, like it's like tendinitises or bursitis and that kind of stuff, impingement. You're going to look all on Google and it's going to tell you all these things. And the consequences are that you're going to continue to potentially get tight in very specific areas, and then one day you're going to wake up and you can't work out as much, right? So is it easy to ignore? Absolutely. And this is what we see all the time as therapists, because we see people work out and they just kind of keep ignoring it because it's just not painful enough, until one day it really hurts them and they can't do anything else, right? So yes, technically speaking, you could work out. What's better? Just come in, find out where those imbalances are. Let us fix you so that you can work out and not wonder, like, am I making it worse? Not wonder, like, one day is, I'm not gonna be able to lift as heavy as I do, or a lot of things it's push-ups, right? Like I can't do as many push-ups. Let us help you improve that.